Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. In the previous lesson I taught you how to play the A minor pentatonic scale. Today I want to teach you how to play the A minor blues pentatonic scale. We'll just be adding a couple additional notes to that scale to give it the blues sound. So let's get started. That's the sound of the A minor blues pentatonic. So if we look at the chart above, it's the same shape as the A minor pentatonic scale. We're just adding two additional notes to give it the blues sound there that you can see in the color blue. We'll start off again with the very top E string on the 5th fret. That's the A note, and you can see all the red notes. Those are notes you want to start with or land on if you're soloing. So strum the 6th string of the 5th fret and then stretch to the 8th fret. Go down one string and then walk up to the 6th fret and then walk up to the 7th fret. So let's do that again. See that? Then you want to walk here, add up on the 3rd string, you want to add that 8th fret. Okay, so let's start that over. Okay, that's the A minor blues pentatonic. Okay, let's look at it again, very slow. That is the A minor blues pentatonic scale. If you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button after the video. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thanks for joining today. Have a great day. God bless you.